Lithium ion. Lithium ion is a very confusing term for people. That's what it is. Lithium ion is a word that was created to market it and make it simple for people to understand this new generation of battery chemistry that was coming out. Problem is that creates a lot of confusion because the chemistries are very, very different. And there's a different as gasoline is from diesel fuel as diesel fuel is from natural gas. And there's actually 7 different commercially available chemistries today, and more every day. And each one of those chemistries have their own sublayers. What's unique about Volta is we're using automotive-based technology, and Automotive developed technology called nickel manganese cobalt. This is currently one of the highest energy density products available in the marketplace. And how many products in the consumer world last longer than 3 to 5 years? Why would they, right? They don't, because the model is use it, get a new one. In automotive, we don't think that way. We want life. We want that car to last us. Well, you got to have automotive testing. That means time. That means thermal, performance, vibration, all the things cars go through. In fact, it takes 5 years in product development to get a new car to market, because that's all the engineering time and development. Okay, so let's talk automotive grade. And you've put all of those lessons learned, capability, life studies, vibration, performance, safety, all the things a car should be designed, and you put it into these products that we're building.